Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you guys my habits and routine for my skin in the winter months. Now I know we're getting closer to spring, but even here in California, we've had days that are getting down to the 30s, which is unusual for us here. Usually it's pretty warm, and we've had a lot of rain and wind, and that can wreak havoc on your skin. So in the winter months, I usually change up my skincare to accommodate my skin's needs during that time. So today I'm just going to share with you guys some of the things that I do to keep my skin in tip-top shape. I'd say on average, I do a face mask maybe once a week, sometimes every other week, just kind of depends on the time that I have. But in the winter months, I use a hydrating cream mask. I love experimenting with different skincare and also different face masks. There's great sheet masks, but in the winter months, I try to stick with a cream mask, which is basically just a deeply hydrating, almost moisturizer that you keep on your skin for 15 to 20 minutes, and then you take it off with a towel. I love to experiment with bath bombs and bath salts, but you can keep bath time really simple if you just add honey and ground up oatmeal. So you can just take oatmeal and put it into a coffee grinder, mix the two together and add it to a running bath. This is going to be really great for your skin. Some products can strip your skin of the moisture, and in this case, this is going to really help keep your skin moisturized and heal your skin during the winter months. I love to try new bath products, but if you want to keep it simple, try that out. It's really easy and inexpensive. Another thing that I try to be consistent with is keeping a humidifier on during the winter months. They have hot and cold ones, so you can even have it running in the summer. The only downside about a humidifier is that you have to clean it out every few days. I clean mine out with a little bit of vinegar and water, but you keep that running and that's going to really help your skin overall, and it's also really great if you're a vocalist. It's good for your vocal cords. You can find scrubs pretty much anywhere, and scrubs can run anywhere from affordable to a lot more expensive, but you can make it super easy at home if you want to, and if you are in the mood to make a scrub. I'm using pink Himalayan salt, coconut oil, and a few drops of lavender essential oil. The lavender oil not only smells amazing, but it's really healing to the skin, and the coconut oil is going to be moisturizing, so great to use on rough elbows, knees, even on the bottom of your feet, and you can use it on your entire body. I do try to exfoliate and dry brush throughout the entire year, and I think in the summer you're more likely to exfoliate because your body is showing, so you definitely want your skin to look smooth, and in the winter when you're more covered up you might forget about it, but it's still important to do it in the winter, and especially when your skin is dry and sometimes flaky. I notice that if I'm not paying as much attention to my skin, I can really see that it's getting a lot drier looking. So dry brushing, moving in an upward motion, is also going to bring the blood flow in your skin and make your skin look a lot healthier and glowing. I like to use a deep hair conditioning mask as well. So after I shampoo, instead of a traditional conditioner, I'm going to use a deep conditioning hair mask. This is a really beautiful one I got in my FabFitFun box, and it makes my hair just really soft and moisturized. I'm a huge fan of oils, both on my face and my body. I'm using this one. It's a calming oil that we carried in the shop. I think we only have a few more of those left, but I've been using it pretty consistently. It has chamomile in it, so it's very calming, and I've actually been mixing it with a deep moisturizer that I've been using from Dr. Perricone, just to make sure my skin is extra moisturized. And if I'm starting to feel dry, I will mix those two together and put those on my skin. And then as I feel like I don't need it anymore as we get closer to the spring and the summer, I of course adjust my routine to accommodate what my skin is feeling. I also use body oil on my entire body, and I switch it up. When I was on vacation, I was using one by Pacifica. This is one that we carry in my shop. This is a rose oil. It's really beautiful because I like dry oils that really absorb in the skin and they don't stay slick on your skin for a long time or get on your clothes. So this I put all over my body, and then I put a robe on. This is actually a relaxation oil, so not only does it moisturize your skin, but it gives you a sense of relaxation, and so I do that before bed. And then I also like to do hand and foot treatments because my hands and feet get extra dry in the winter months. So before bed, I put this. It almost has a consistency of honey. It's from Burt's Bees. It's really, really rich and thick. I put that on my feet, and then I put some warm, thick, cozy socks on. This helps so that I don't get as bad of calluses or dry feet. And again, all of these things can be done in the summer, but sometimes it's easy to neglect your feet in the winter months because you're maybe hiding them in boots. But it's still important to pay attention and my hands as well get really dry. So if they're feeling dry or cracked, I'll put a really rich hand cream on. And then I have these lined gloves. You can find them at Target, you can find them on Amazon, and they're lined with gel. And a lot of times the gel is infused with aloe vera or vitamin E, and you put a rich hand cream on and just stick your hands in the gloves. And I'll just sit in a robe with my socks and my gloves and watch a show, and then I'll take the gloves off before bed. But it really just allows the hand cream to properly penetrate into the skin and help dry hands feel a little bit more moisturized. Also, if you're doing lots of dishes or housework or yard work, your hands can take a toll, so that's a really great tip as well. So if your skin has been feeling a little bit more dry this winter, try out some of these tips. These are some of the things I do to keep my skin hydrated and moisturized and healthy in the winter. I hope you enjoyed this video. Keep an eye out for a new video this week, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.